The USRAs were built in 1918 during World War I, and their purpose was to serve in World War I. They were actually quite the useful engines. The one you're looking at right now is showing the number with my HO scale of 1. They were all withdrawn and scrapped, though 3 copies of these engines exist. I've had this model for about 3 years now, and it works like a charm. It's a great model to have for your collection. Bachmann has this thing where they will be labeled like their engine numbers after a while, but mine is number 221. You can't find this number 1 anymore, unless you go on eBay or something, I don't know. It's a great runner, it has not failed me, produces real steam, and yeah, just a good runner in general. I highly recommend it for your collection. Go bananas. Overall, this model is a great model, and I highly recommend it for your collection. It can pull anything just fine and shunt just the same. Thank you for watching, I guess. Do stuff with your life. Have a good day. Yeah. Bye.